Institute of Nutrition. It is in the Hyderabad. Now I am going to explain about different kinds of nutrients. Nutrients are different kinds. First one, carbohydrates, proteins, fats or lipids, vitamins and minerals, fibers, finally water. These are different kinds of nutrients required to our body to do different types of activities in our daily life. In this, it is classified into two types: carbohydrates, proteins, fats or lipids. Major components: vitamins, minerals, fibers and water are minor components. These are major food components. These are minor food components. For example, take carbohydrates. Carbohydrates, which gives instant energy for us. These are present in rice, wheat, and potato. This is about the carbohydrates. Next, the proteins. Proteins are present in meat, milk, and eggs. Proteins helps in bodybuilding. Next, third one is fats or lipids. Fats or lipids are present in curd, buttermilk, and oil. Fats gives us energy, more energy, but it is a storage energy. These three components are called as major components. Second one is minor components, vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals save us from diseases. These are present in fruits and vegetables. Next, the fifth one, fibers. Fibers are present in peels of fruits. Peels means the outer layer of fruits. Almost all fruits of outer layers contains fibers. Fibers prevents constipation. That is nothing but prevents laziness. Okay, this is about the fibers. Then it is the term constipation. What is the meaning of constipation? It means difficult moving motion. If we take more fibers or fiber containing food, which helps in prevention of constipation. Finally, water. Water also called as universal solvent. Chemical name is H2O. Water used in all metabolic activities in our body. This is about nutrients. There are two kinds of nutrients: major food components and minor food components. Thank you. Nutrition. There are different kinds of nutrition are there. In Tantra's textbook, basically it is divided into two types of nutrition. First one, autotrophic nutrition. Second one, heterotrophic nutrition. First of all, I am going to explain about autotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition means the mode of nutrition in which the plants preparing food material by their own is called autotrophic nutrition. Next, heterotrophic nutrition means the mode of nutrition in which the organisms do not prepare food material by their own, it depends on others for food, is called heterotrophic nutrition. This is about the autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. Okay, here some technical terms are there. Or here, sir, what is auto? Auto means own. Means the organisms preparing food material by their own. A trophic tropes means plants or organisms. We can say very simply, what are autotrophs? Autotrophs. The organisms which are preparing food material, food by their own. These organisms are called autotrophs. Example: plants. This is about the autotrophs. Now, what is heterotrophic nutrition first? The mode of nutrition in which the organisms do not preparing food by their own, it depends on other organisms for food, is called heterotrophic nutrition. Here the technical word is hetero means other organisms or other plants. Trophic means again, trophs means plants or organisms. Trophs means plants or organisms. Now comes to the definition. Heterotrophs means heterotrophs. The organisms which are not preparing food, it depends on others for food. It depends on other organisms for food are called heterotrophs. Heterotrophs for example, almost all animals. They introduced in 10th class textbook these two. What are the main differences between autotrophs and heterotrophs? Many organisms are there in the world. Plants are there, animals are there, microorganisms are there, including human beings. In this, some organisms are preparing food material by their own. Those are called as autotrophs. Some organisms are there, they do not preparing food material by their own. It depends on others for food. These are called as heterotrophs. Autotrophs examples are plants. Heterotrophs examples are animals. Thank you.